everyone!
You want to see something though?
Oh my gosh, the headphones back. What? Oh my god!
Anyone get rewarded?
I'm getting a phone call. You hear that? I'm getting a phone call.
Don't pick it up. Don't pick it up.
Just boot me?
A cure-all.
Yeah?
Let's hear it, Konami.
I'm just gonna be mute.
No, you gotta talk like it. You can't mute.
I'll time ya.
Why would you I don't know.
Keep going.
Jesus Christ, I said talking Uwu speak. You sound like you've had an accident. Jesus Christ.
Keep going. It's almost been a minute.
It's my turn to spin the bottle.
Crewmate every goddamn fucking time. I'm not allowed to be happy. Let's go shoot some fucking meteors. Hopefully one of them blows up the planet. Fucking.
You're doing great.
No, Dory doesn't get the. I'm gonna shoot you in a second. What are the odds you're about to stab
What
me?
did you just say to me, you little bitch?
I saw you walk out of that room, Savvy. I'm sorry.
It was worth it.
Okay. Okay. I hope you get this one. What is a skeleton's favorite snack?
I don't know what.
What is a skeleton's favorite snack?
Bone marrow.
What is a skeleton's favorite snack? Come on, you know this one.
I've heard it, but I can't remember it. Ah!
Ribs! Spare ribs!
Hey, Rum.
Yo, what's up?
Show Veronica your special move.
What? The
Special move?
booty one?
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
I would roast you, but my mom said I'm not allowed to burn trash.
And the clap of his ass cheeks keeps alerting the guards.
I had a savvy voice ready and everything also. It's just, it flopped really hard.
Hello, I am Savvy. It is nice to meet you.
That's not bad.
Hey,
Not bad.
is that Savvy? Whoa, hi! How was it going?
Now you try.
Ready, VRChat? Yeah, go for it. 3, 2, 1.
Bonk.
Bonk.
Bonk. Bonk. Bonk. Bonk. Bonk. Bonk.
I was asking you, like, punches. Like they were bongos.
I mean, I don't think this is how you're going to become their best friend, Beepoo. It's not how that works. That's not how you become best friends. You're no better!
I rushed in here to let Vera know that their stream was muted.
By the way, your stream was muted. No, there's no need for violence, is there?
That's how we greet people. We head both.
Of course. How could I forget?
Hey, Fizzi, look out in the water for a second. Look
Okay.
out to the water for a second.
Yeah? I love that cat!
Let's see who's on.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Yeah. I told you I'll get revenge on you one day. You just watch.
You smell like candy corn. Oh, what happened to your neck?
Oh man.
What? What about my neck?
Go to your menu again and turn around.
Oh, I see what you mean.
It's hump day! Whoop whoop! There. Guess what day it is?
Someone clip that.
It's hump day.
Hump day!
Well, I'll make an exception. I haven't switched out my avatar yet, but if you can't beat him, join him.
When in Rome, do what the Romans do.
It's pretty nifty, but outside it's
Surprise, motherfucker!
No! No! Bad! Wolfie! No! Wolfie! Bad! No! No! Orange Neko versus Orange Neko. The battle of a lifetime. Let's see it.
It's time to do
it! Oh, I almost got my own.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
I'm very confused right now.
I tripped on my own cord and fell.
This is why wireless is the way to go.
So Fizzi, don't run off, okay? You can easily get lost. This is a full-on city.
It's a huge map.
Time to get lost.
That's exactly that.
Holy shit, this is the Millennium Falcon! What the hell?
Why?
It's the Millennium Falcon! What?
Look at that. Majestically riding the dog.
Onwards,
It's so
noble
weird seeing the neck twist. Ew! What? No! No!
Oh, yeah. You can hold this.
Oh, no. Oh, I'm not snapping your neck. I swear to God, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this.
I don't know what I did.
B-tap?
It worked.
Oh my God!
VRChat has now become a hot dog to
I
bigot.
That is a fish.
I guess you can say he's a ground dog.
This dog is made from ground
He made it from
beef.
ground meat.
Oh my god.
Dude, you look like a Goomba.
Like,
There's too many people.
It looks funny in third person. Watch this. Watch this.
Hello there.
Oh shit!
Hey, Fizzi, just let you know, I actually scare you. I just
Flint.
Have every right
I
to
want to watch the whole thing with you guys.
fight to the death in order to restore your honor. As you'll have noticed, we don't duel anymore, but right.
This video isn't necessarily like a meme or anything, it's just like history, but for some reason, whenever they get shot, I just start dying laughing because I think it's the funniest shit I've seen all day. It's fucking awesome.
Let's do a try not
The
to
whole
laugh
goal is-
challenge. TJ's the only one allowed to
Fuck.
laugh, but the rest of us cannot catch the laugh.
Good.
Now, the height of dueling occurred around the late 18th and early 19th centuries, but dueling continued
biting
in some
my lip
countries
right
into
now,
the
dude.
20th. In Britain and Russia, formal codes of chivalry were drawn up and sold alongside sets of
value,
dueling
right?
pistols. For the most part, although there were regional differences, duels worked
It
like
should be
this.
funny, but
a
for some
person would
reason
say
I
or
think
do
it's
something to
funny.
insult another, and the insulted party
Unintentionally,
would
then.
demand satisfaction. Satisfaction being either an
Unintentionally
apology
funny.
or a duel. Now, not everyone could challenge everyone. A junior officer in the army couldn't challenge a general or a high-ranking member of the nobility, for example. Now, you didn't have to accept and put your life on the line, but it could lead to you being called a coward, and that wouldn't do. If you did accept, then as the one being challenged, you often
Flag
had the right to
says
choose
stars,
the weapon
yo.
used, most commonly swords or pistols. So why did dueling fall out of favour? Well, for a start, the fact that so many young officers were killing each other meant that it was affecting Britain and America's ability to wage war. George Washington, for example, had issues with stopping officers from killing each other during the War for Independence. Another reason was that there were concerns, especially in the church, that many people were using duels as a means to legally commit suicide. An accusation thrown at Alexander Hamilton and a fear that was especially prevalent in the United States. In Britain, there was a great deal of outrage in the 19th
You're just now
century
figuring
when
this out.
The aristocrats were able to kill in a duel and walk free. The reasons why duelists got off with literal premeditated murder was because the judges came from the upper classes and were very sympathetic to the idea of personal honour. Instead, dueling saw a slow death as upper and middle class culture changed to a more moderate means of settling scores: lawsuits.